Hello, physical science students. I'd like to do a little tutorial here for you for problem solving. In Unit 1, we have, uh, some different equations that we're using for motion. So let's go through some of this. The equation for velocity and speed is v equals distance, v being velocity is distance divided by time. And it can be transposed to different versions of that equation depending on what's given in the problem. And so in the problems that I had posted for practice, for example, the first problem, the truck had gone 200 kilometers in 4 hours. So let's do that one real quick. That's going to require the first equation, v equals d over t, and that would just be 200 kilometers divided by 4 hours, and that turns out to be 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. But what if we change it up and we're asking for distance like we did in number 2? So in number 2, then now we're looking at d equals velocity times time, which then equals the 10 kilometers per hour times the time of 3 hours. And then the solution of that is just 30 kilometers. So, okay, so that's just a different way, a different version of the same kind of idea. And then finally, there's one. The third problem was asking for time. So time would equal distance divided by velocity. And then in this case, we have 1,000 kilometers divided by 200 kilometers per hour. And that will yield in a value of 5 hours. Okay, so anyway, that's just a tutorial of how to do that type of problem solving. Okay, hope that helps. Talk to you later.